The average small business claims 6,000 miles driven on their taxes per year. As an entrepreneur, I know that this number can be easily tripled. And as of November 2019, I've driven exactly 18,742 miles. Since every business mile is a 58 cents deduction, then I'd have $10,870 in potential business deductions. Let's talk about automobiles. So this is one of the biggest write-offs that you have. And I got a question. Did anyone write down that you drove over here? 1, 2 out of what, 40? Wow, you guys are missing out on expenses, man. Unfortunately, a lot of entrepreneurs don't understand exactly what a business mile is. And while driving to client meetings or locations qualify, there are a lot more that can be added. As both a tax professional and a professional videographer, it's critical that I get all my miles and all my client miles classified correctly. It's fun. When you drove here, that's an expense, straight up. When you drive back home, that's an expense. And if you're not documenting this, then you're losing out on money. There are a variety of applications to use, but personally, I use mileiq, and it hasn't failed me yet. I have over 2,000 drives for the year, so being able to track every single one of my trips accurately is a big deal. And if the IRS ever questioned my miles, well, I have an entire log of where I drove, the purpose, time, and date, basically irrefutable. When I drive to Best Buys to buy a new laptop, I'm buying a laptop for business. I'm writing off that traveling expense. At my company, whenever my employees, they drive somewhere, they get reimbursed for driving because it's for the benefit of the company. Applications such as mileiq allow you to store all your drives and classify them at a later time. I often drive for an entire month, then go back and tag everything later either on my phone or on my computer. It's actually really easy to tag things in bulk, so that's a great tip for time management. Other cool features include tagging frequently visited places so you don't have to classify them again, swiping left or right for business or personal trips on your phone, and even exporting the entire log to give to your accountant. The cost of this app or other applications is insanely cheap versus the value you receive. Time savings, organization, peace of mind from the IRS, and even finding extra dollars in your pocket are some of the best benefits. If the app tracks even just 125 more miles than before, then you'll see benefits already. One of Warren Buffett's rules is to never lose money. So to all my videographers, content creators, and entrepreneurs, make sure to do yourself a favor and grab a mileage app. You'll thank me later.